the chemical reaction. What is meant by chemical reaction?
Chemical. चारा बंदर
When the substance loses its nature and identity to form a new product, is called as chemical reaction. Example: 2Mg plus O2 is like 2MgO. What is the full form of Mg? O2 means gives rise to then how to identify the chemical reaction has been taken place. There are 4 observations here. First one is first one is newly formed substance. Second one is change in color. Third one change in temperature, and last one is liberation of gas. These observation we can identify the chemical reaction has been taken place. Defined by chemical equation. form of formula and symbol. Example. Two H plus O2 gives rise to H2O. H means gives rise to conservation of state mass state that energy can neither be created nor be destroyed, but left hand side reactants should be equal to right hand side products. This is the balancing equation, laws of conservation. This equation only skeletal equation. Then how to balance it? So this is the balancing equation. Thank you.
Good afternoon to everyone. Today we are conducting the seminar about the chemical reactions with the equations. Until now, our friend people are telling us about the chemical reactions, equations, and the balancing of the equations. Let me tell you about the types of the chemical reactions. Let me first is the combination reaction. In this reaction, the two or more reactants splits two or more reactants react to form a single product. Let me tell you some examples of them. Carbon dioxide, we know it is one of the part of the respiration of our life. Carbon means C means carbon, O2 means oxygen, gives rise to CO2, carbon dioxide. And the other example was the water. Water was the essential thing for our daily life. Equation of the water was H2 plus O2 gives rise to H2O. We should balance the equation. We should balance. Every time when we write the equations, when we put the H beside the H equals H mass goes to the 4, and here we have 4 hydrogen and 2 oxygen. Here we have only 2 hydrogen and single oxygen. So we should balance this equation. So I am putting 2 beside the H. It will be balanced right now. And the other examples of the other type of the chemical reaction was decomposition reaction. decomposition reaction was the opposite of the combination reaction. In this reaction, the single reactant splits down to two or more products. Let me tell you some examples of the decomposition reaction. Ca plus O3 gives rise to CaO plus O2. Here Ca means calcium and CO3, C means carbon dioxide and O means oxygen. It combines with calcium carbonate. Calcium carbonate splits down to give carbon oxide plus oxygen and the CO2 carbon dioxide. The decomposition reaction is further classified into three types. First is the thermal reaction. Thermal decomposition reaction. Thermal itself, thermal tells that heat is being taking place in this reaction by heat convert the substance into products by heating. Let us take CaCO3. When heated, it gives rise to CaO plus CO2. This is also the example of the thermal decomposition reaction. And the other type of the decomposition reaction was electron lytic. Electrolytic decomposition reaction. In this reaction, the reaction is carried out by the electricity. Let me show a diagram of the electrolytic decomposition reaction. It is known as the electrolysis of the water. In this reaction, we can see that in this reaction we take a beaker. In this beaker, we should put the water and two test tubes inverted. We should put the two test tubes inverted, in which we should put the two graphite rods. We can if the two graphite rods should be connected to 6 volt battery. We can see where the when the reaction takes place, where the less amount of the bubbles are taking place, we get to know that there is oxygen, and where the higher amount of the bubbles are getting out of the test tubes, we can conclude that hydrogen was liberated out of the test tube. The chemical reaction of chemical equation of this reaction was H2 plus O2 gives rise to H2O. This is the electrolytic decomposition reaction. Next one is the photolytic decomposition reaction. H2O gives rise to H2 plus O2. Next one was the photolytic decomposition reaction. 2:1. Another decomposition reaction was photolytic. In this reaction was taken place by the sunlight. We can say let me tell you some example of the photolytic decomposition reaction. When the silver chloride was heated, it gives rise to is kept outside in the sunlight. It gives rise to its breakdown to gives rise Ag plus Ci2 and this plus. Let me write the equation. Ag Cl2 gives rise to Ag plus Cl. And 2Ag plus Cl2. 2Ag. And next type of the chemical reaction is displacement reaction. In this reaction, the less reactive metal displaces the high reactive metal. The example of this reaction was MgSO4. Displacement reaction, the equation was Fe plus CuSO4 gives rise to FeSO4 plus Cu. The next type of the chemical reaction was double displacement reaction. In this reaction, the exchange of ions takes place. In this reaction, the exchange of ions takes place. The example of this reaction was NaSO4 plus Pl. PaCl2 gives rise to 2NaCl plus PaSO4 Na2SO4 gives rise to Na2SO4 plus